Easy English Practice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to MJ English Learning Channel. Today, I will take you through my daily routine and teach you useful English phrases along the way. Listen carefully to the daily routine. Make sure to repeat after me and write new words in the comments. I wake up at 7 a.m. I stretch and get out of bed. I open the curtains to let the sunlight in. I brush my teeth with toothpaste. I wash my face with cold water. I get dressed in my favorite outfit. I make a cup of coffee. I eat scrambled eggs for breakfast. I enjoy a healthy breakfast to start the day. I take the bus to work. I listen to music on my way. The traffic is heavy this morning. I start work at 9 a.m. I have a lot of meetings today. I study for my English exam in the library. My afternoon routine. I order a salad and soup. I eat lunch with my colleagues. This meal is delicious. I go for a run in the park. I watch my favorite TV show. I enjoy reading books in the afternoon. My evening routine. I cook pasta for dinner. I set the table before eating. I chat with my friends online. I spend time with my family in the evening. I watch the news before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. I set my alarm for 7 a.m. I turn off the lights and go to sleep. Now my sleep time. Good night. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning. Today, we learned daily routine words and phrases. Try using them in your own routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next video. Bye for now.